Yeah, a little bit. Try that, see if that works. Run through it, Paxton. Run through it.
Is that better?
Yeah. No, same. Turn it down some more. Keep turning it down. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's much better. Come back, Paxton. Sing Rain, Rain, Go Away.
Are you recording?
She said, Mommy, touch it.
Well, I want you to send this to my mommy too. Woo! Cold water.
It is cold.
That needs to be out in the sunshine.
Yeah, we'll do it tomorrow when it's sunny with Christopher. We'll do it in their yard where it's grassy.
Where are you going, girl? Go that way.
Go get in the rain. Go get in the sprinkler. Is that your octopus? Say thank you, Grammy.
Oh, baby girl. Pax, come over this way.
It's a little butt.
No diaper butt. It's raining.
That's your octopus. Look at Cash looking in the window. Looking out the window, I mean.
Oh, Cash.
Go touch the octopus. Go touch him. See if you can touch him. Put your hand on top of him.
She's like, it's too cold.
Put your hand on top. Oh! Is it cold? You touch it. It's too cold for Daddy.
She said, you touch it. What are you doing? Watch her.
I am.